Friends, when you start seeing life as a witness, you don't need to do meditation separately. Your whole life becomes meditation. You are in a meditative state all the time, while walking, talking, eating, working. And with that deep practice, this awareness can even continue into your sleep. At an advanced stage, it's possible to be aware that your body is sleeping, but something in you is still awake, silent, still, and watching. In this video, we are not going to stay in theory. No endless preaching. This is a hands-on right now practice. We will explore how to be a witness while walking, brushing your teeth, taking a bath, eating, speaking, seeing, and even thinking. And when you start living this way, life turns into a beautiful movie, one that you enjoy deeply without being crushed by its ups and downs. In fact, we can start this right now. As you are watching this video, take a moment and notice. Your eyes are looking at the screen. Light is entering your eyes, hitting the retina, signals traveling through the optic nerve to your brain. Neurons are firing. Your mind is understanding my words. Maybe emotions are rising. Your body may be leaning forward. Your hands may be holding your phone. And here you are, watching all this happen. That watcher, that silent presence is you. This is the seed of witness consciousness. Now, let's see how to apply this in everyday life. Friends, walking can be turned into meditation. Most of us walk like robots, body moving but mind lost in a thousand thoughts. The destination is all we think about, so the journey becomes invisible. Now imagine this. You step out to walk. The first thing you notice is the contact of your feet with the ground. Heel touches first, then the ball of the foot. Then the toes release. A gentle rhythm forms. You hear the tap tap of your footstep. You feel the subtle sway of your body as you shift weight from left to right. Cool air brushes your skin. Your breath flows out and in naturally, matching your pace. A thought tries to enter. What will I cook tonight? You smile inwardly and let it pass, returning to the sensation of walking. Now, walking is not just movement, it's awareness in motion. You are both the walker and the witness of the walking. Let's see the example of brushing. Brushing your teeth can become a morning awareness ritual. We usually brush in a hurry, phone in one hand, mind planning the day. But this can be your first meditation of the morning. You pick up the brush, feel its texture in your hand. Is it smooth, rough, light, heavy? Squeeze the toothpaste. Notice the sound, the smell of freshness. As you start brushing, feel the bristles touching each tooth. Notice the change in taste as foam builds. Hear the sound inside your mouth, like soft scrubbing music. Your hand moves automatically, but you are watching it, not lost in it. Tiny sensations appear, the coolness of mint, the movement of your jaw, the way your tongue adjusts without you telling it to do. This is not just brushing, it's a daily reminder. I can be aware in the simplest acts. Friends, now we will see how you can meditate while taking bath. Taking a bath can cleanse more than the body. Bath time is usually for the body, but it can also wash your mind. You step into the shower. The first touch of water hits your skin, warm or cool, and you really feel it instead of rushing through it. You hear the sound of water splashing, some drops fast, some slow, As soap touches your skin, notice the slippery texture. Your hands glide over your arms, back, and shoulders. Water flows down your face. You feel each drop running its own path. There is no hurry, just watching the body move, clean, rinse. In this awareness, bathing becomes a silent spa for your mind. The dirt leaves not just the skin but also the restless thoughts. Let's see eating now. Eating can be tasting the present moment. Most people eat while watching TV, talking, or scrolling their phone. They miss the meal entirely. Let's try witnessing instead. Before eating, pause and look at your food. See the colors, reds, greens, golden, brown, and notice the textures, smooth, rough, soft, crunchy, and then smell the aroma. Let it awaken your senses. As you take the first bite, feel the teeth breaking the food. Taste spreads like salty, sweet, spicy, all sending signals to your brain in milliseconds. Notice how the tongue moves the food, how the body swallows without effort. You are not just eating, you are a witness to the miracle of nourishment. You will find you chew more, digest better, and actually enjoy your food deeply. Friends, speaking can be transformed by watching words form. Speaking happens so fast that we don't notice the process, but witnessing speech can completely change the quality of your communication. Someone asks you a question. You pause, even if it's just for a second. You notice the thought forming in your mind, words arranging themselves before you even speak. As you speak, feel the movement of your lips, the vibration of your vocal cords, the air flowing out in measured bursts. You notice the tone you are using, calm, warm, or sharp. You also observe the other person's reaction without judgment. Just seeing. Speaking this way creates a gap between impulses and response. Your words become clearer, kinder, and more conscious. In the same way, you can apply this technique to seeing. Seeing can be witnessing the act of seeing. We think we look at things, but mostly our eyes glance without awareness. To witness seeing, pick anything in front of you, a tree, a cup, your hand. Look at it as if you are seeing it for the first time. Notice its shape, edges, and colors. See the light reflecting on it, the shadow it casts. Then shift your awareness to the process itself, light entering your eyes, hitting the retina, converted into signals, and your brain forming the image instantly. Now, you are not just looking at the object, you are watching. Seeing happen, it's a subtle but profound shift. Now, let's move on to thinking. Thinking is witnessing the mind's movie. This is the deepest practice because thoughts feel like me. But try this. Close your eyes for a moment. A thought appears. I need to call someone. Instead of following it, just note thinking. Another thought comes. What's for lunch? Note it again. Thinking. You are not the thought. You are the one noticing it. And like clouds, thoughts drift away when you stop holding them. Sometimes a thought will pull you in before you realize it. When you notice, gently step back to for watching it. This is the heart of witness consciousness, seeing the mind without getting lost in it. My dear friends, when you live this way, you are no longer lost in the movie. You enjoy the scenes, but you know you are the audience, not the character. And slowly, a space opens inside you, a silent background that's always there, calm, peaceful, untouched. That is pure awareness. That is the witness. And with enough practice, this awareness is no longer limited to waking hours. It gently extends into your dreams and eventually even into deep sleep. You may notice one day your body is asleep, but something in you is awake, silently watching the night pass. This is the flowering of continuous meditation. My friends, this is not something to believe. This is something to experience. You can start today. When you walk after this video, be aware. When you brush tomorrow, be aware. When you speak, be aware. And soon you will realize life is not something to fight with, it's something to watch with love, like a beautiful movie playing on the screen of consciousness. Share in the comments which activity will you try witnessing first. And if you found this guide valuable, like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more step-by-step awareness practices. Stay aware, stay present, be the witness. Thank you for watching.